Grandma so handsome.
Oh, Lucia.
Hey!
What is it, Theo?
What is it? Oh, it looks like something fun. Go ahead.
Okay, come on. Lucia,
Oh,
put that
yeah.
down. What is it, Theo? What is it? Don't let him do it, sweetheart.
I'm showing him.
Go ahead, Theo. Lucia, please.
I'm showing you. I know. That thing that we... I want to do that.
What is it, buddy? Ooh. Look at that.
That.
What's that?
That.
I don't know. We'll have to open it up and look at it. All kinds of fun stuff for babies to do. Oh, look. Kinds of little busy toys. Busy toys for babies.
What is it?
Oh, la la. There's Lucia working on a little book she got from Grandma Flavia on Potchball. She's working.
Not like the new nude guns.
And you got a game. We'll play after dinner.
What? The book game.
Say bye-bye to Grandma Flavia. Say bye-bye.
Bye, Grandma Flavia. Hope we see... Oh, bye, Grandma Flavia.
Theo, say bye-bye.
Grandma, I was going to say something. Bye, Grandma Flavia. Bye, hope we see you soon. Bye, Grandma Flavia. Hope we see you soon.
Christmas.
We missed you. It's Christmas.